students, we meet again today for continuation of 10th standard maths. We have started with 10th standard math series yesterday and कल का जो लेक्चर था पहला लेक्चर 10th का, glad to announce that it has got a very good response. Over 2,500 students from Pune or outside Pune have seen it, and some of them have also responded, called me, and I'm very happy to see the response and see the enthusiasm of the children to work. Okay, so let us go forward today with the second lecture. It is simultaneous equations that we are doing, और अभी थोड़ा अलग सा प्रॉब्लम लेंगे. 4 mark question. Exercise 1.1 last two sums. तो देखेंगे दोस्तों क्या है. पहले 99x plus 100y equal to 499, 101x plus 99y equal to 501. What are you observing? कल के प्रॉब्लम्स अलग थे, ये भी साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन ही है, लेकिन to be solved in a slightly different way. The one thing that you have noticed is numbers थोड़े बड़े हैं, big numbers are there. Secondly, numbers interchange का problem, ये numbers interchange का problem है. यानी क्या? 99x is here, 99y is here. 99 has been interchanged. 101y is here, 101x is here. 101 has been interchanged. Position interchange हो गई. This is how you recognize the problem. Two things: numbers बड़े हैं. Second, numbers interchange का problem है. Okay? So इसमें there is one particular method. अभी देखो, yesterday we saw that we could make the terms same by multiplying any one equation by any one number. लेकिन यहाँ पे दोस्तों देखो 99 into what is 101? Not possible. You will have to multiply this by 101 and this by 99 to get two big numbers. That will become more complicated. So the simpler method is, method देखो इसकी, add equations 1 and 2 and take something common. दोनों equations add करने वाले. Okay? Then subtract equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. It is our choice. Subtract and change the sign of one equation. And again take something common. तो क्या होता है? When you add both the equations and take something common, you get a new equation. When you subtract one equation from the other and take something common, you get another new equation. Solve two new simple equations formed. Purposely मैंने बोला है two new simple equations because the new equations formed are very simple. Either you have to add them or subtract them. Okay? So this is what we are going to study today. Numbers interchange का problem और numbers बड़े हैं, right? But the method is interesting. If you follow this, it becomes simple. Since the number of steps are more, it is a 4 mark question. We'll go according to the method. Adding equations 1 and 2. Given equations 1 and 2, adding. Now remember yesterday I told you, दो equations add करने हैं, यानी just write one equation below the other without changing the sign. जैसे है वैसे लिखने हैं, साइन चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं. 200x 101 plus 99 200, 101 plus 99 200y, 501 plus 499 1000. अभी आपको लगता होगा अभी नंबर्स तो इतने बड़े हो गए, क्या करना है? सिंपल है. Always there is something common. 200 common. So after adding both the equations, take something common which you have written over here. So 200 is common. In brackets x plus y equal to 1000. 200 common निकालना है. So x plus y is equal to 1000 upon 200. 200 goes in the denominator. 1000 minus 200 मत करो दोस्तों. 1000 upon 200. Multiplication gets converted into division. 1000 upon 200. 1000 upon minus 200 meaning 200 just goes in the denominator as it is. This is all 8 standard stuff. 200 नीचे जाता है, ये ऊपर आता है, लेकिन in order so that you won't make any silly mistake, I'm just repeating certain basic things. 1000 upon 200 is 5. So x plus y equal to 5. That is equation 3. Simple equation मिल गई. So how did we get equation 3? By adding equations 1 and 2. Right? अभी यहाँ पे स्माइली आ गया है. बीच में अभी स्माइली आएगा, कुछ बोलेगा हमको. फ्रेंड्स, एडिंग मतलब साइन चेंज नहीं करना. ये इक्वेशंस के साइन चेंज नहीं किए ऐसा बोलना है. Remember that smiley. So we haven't changed the signs here. Just add and take something common to get one simple equation. ये हो गया. Add equations 1 and 2 का काम हो गया. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. I told you it is your choice. Subtract equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. अभी मैंने क्या किया है? Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2 means equation 2 पहले लिखूंगा. From that I will subtract equation 1 because 501 is a bigger number. So 501 minus 499 ऐसा choose किया है मैंने. You can also do 499 minus 501. No harm in that. Subtract equation 1 from 2. वापस स्माइली आ गई. Friends, subtracting equation 1 मतलब equation 1 के साइंस चेंज करने हैं. Change the signs of equation 1 because you are subtracting equation 1. Equation 2 के signs को कुछ मत करो. So equation 2 पहले लिखूंगा मैं. 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Equation 1 subtract करने में means change the signs of equation 1. So equation 1 के signs change करो. Minus 99x minus 100y equal to minus 499. Okay? So करो subtract अभी. 101 minus 99 2x. 99 minus 101 minus 2y. 501 minus 499 2. Take 2 common. Bracket मध्ये काय येणार? x minus y. So 2 into bracket x minus y equal to 2. Whenever you take a number common, transfer that number in the denominator. Things become more simple. So 2 common, I have taken this 2 here. So 2 upon 2 gives me 1. So x minus y equal to 1. In the earlier equation also, we had taken 200 common and 1000 upon 200 किया था. X minus y equal to 1 is equation 4. So how do you get equation 4? By subtracting one equation from the other. How do you get equation 3? By adding both the equations. समझ में आया? अभी equations 3 and 4 एकदम simple हो गए तो वापस स्माइली आ गए. अब add करो 3 and 4 बात खत्म. So just add x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1 plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 upon 2, you know all these things. X equal to 3. And you know how to find the value of y. वो तो आपका favorite है. To find the value of any other variable, substitute the value of x in either equation 3 or equation 4. अभी equations 1 और 2 को भूल जाओ. You forget them once we started adding and subtracting. Okay? So when we put x equal to 3 in this equation, 3 plus y equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, y equal to 2. So x equal to 3, y equal to 2 is the answer, solution. Clear? और एक सम लेंगे, then you can practice. Okay. ये दोस्तों 8th प्रॉब्लम है which was asked in the board exam. So let us take the 8th one. Please be ready with your notebook. बोर्ड्स में 3-4 बार पूछा था. चलो स्टार्ट करेंगे. जस्ट रिकॉल द स्टेप्स इन माइंड. हाउ डू यू रिकॉग्नाइज द प्रॉब्लम? बिग नंबर्स, इंटरचेंज नंबर्स. नंबर्स इंटरचेंज का प्रॉब्लम है. मेथड, add equations 1 and 2 and take common. Step by step. Let us add equations 1 and 2. चलो start writing. Add equations 1 and 2. करो, ट्राई करो एडिशन. अरे सिर्फ देखो मत लिखो कुछ. कम ऑन राइट. (106x minus 106y equal to 424). Adding equations 1 and 2. Adding NA. Do not change the signs of both the equations. Take 106 common. कॉमन लेने के बाद 424 अपॉन 106. for the 424 डायरेक्ट. यू कैन ऑल्सो रिड्यूस एंड चेक. डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो एडिंग इक्वेशंस 1 एंड 2 करने के बाद जो इक्वेशन मिलता है आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन एंड डिवाइडिंग, दैट इज इक्वेशन 3. अभी क्या करना है? सबट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 1 फ्रॉम 2. अगेन 1 में स्मॉलर नंबर है ना, so let us subtract 172 from 252. Right? So let us do that. I'll do it here itself. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So from equation 2 यानी equation 2 पहले लिखेंगे. Without changing the sign. Now you are subtracting equation 1. Equation 1 subtract कर रहे हो यानी इक्वेशन 1 के साइंस चेंज करना. सो इक्वेशन 1 के साइंस चेंज करो. So as we have seen yesterday, sometimes when subtracting, minus gets converted into plus. Okay. So कभी-कभी minus gets converted into plus, although we are subtracting, because minus of minus is plus. Simple. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. Change the signs of each term. 57 minus 49. Be careful. Minus 49 plus 57. गलती से minus 8y मत लिखना. Whenever the numbers are minus and plus or plus or minus, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 57 minus 49, and put the sign of the bigger number. 252 minus 172 is 80. चलो, take out 8 common. Go ahead, try करो. So how do you get equation 4? By subtracting one equation from the other. Simple equation. बड़े नंबर चले गए. How do you get equation 3? By adding both the equations. 3 और 4 सॉल्व करना सबसे आसान चीज है. Minus y plus y कैंसिल करना है by adding 3 and 4. Sometimes you have to add, sometimes you have to subtract. If you have already opposite signs here, opposite signs अगर है तो कुछ करना नहीं है. You don't have to change the signs. Already signs are changed. So just add 3 and 4. So adding equations 3 and 4 क्या मिलता है देखो. Put x equal to 7 in equation 4. So your answer is x equal to 7, y equal to 3. That is our solution set. So how do you write the answer? Solution set. एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 7 3। तो ये था आज का नंबर्स इंटरचेंज का फंडा मेथड। फॉलो द मेथड करेक्टली, एडिंग, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, गेट 2 more simple equations, equations 3 and 4, simple equation मिल जाने के बाद solve them simultaneously to get the answer, right? So this particular type was not there in the 9th standard, the 10th standard में है। Okay, so I will meet you in 2 days time। जो किया exercise 1.1 practice करो। In the meanwhile, tomorrow I may be taking 12th standard because 12th standard is also starting now. So I'll meet you in another 2 days time. Bye till then. Enjoy and practice.